Now move ahead. So if we store only the hello, that means the message, how will the AI know who said it? That means whether it has been said by the AI assistant or it has been said by the user. Was it the user or was it the AI assistant? We need more information. Instead of storing plain text, that means the question, we will store two pieces of information. Who is speaking? What did they say? So we will store two pieces of information. Who is speaking? What did they say? Python allows us to store this using a dictionary. So that means we can store this information like this, where the user is speaking and this is what he is speaking. So this is the keyword role and this is the content. Content is hello and the role is user. Let's understand this. This tells who is speaking. Possible values are user, assistant, system. Right now we don't know the system, but later on we will see. So these are the possible values. Today we will use only user and assistant. We will learn about the system on day 3. So this stores the actual message. That means user said hello. So who told? User. What he told? Hello. So this is the actual message which we are going to store in the list. I hope it's clear. So how we will append the message now? We will append like this. So messages which was an empty list. Now we are appending in this entire thing. That means role is user, content is hello. This is one message, right? Then we can add another message, comma, then we can add another message, comma, like that. We will keep on adding the new messages into this list, which is basically the messages list, which was empty earlier. So our list now becomes this. So this will become our list once we do the append operation. Much better. Now we know both who spoke, what they said. We know who spoke and what they said. Both the information is stored in the messages. Suppose the AI replies, hello, how can I help you? We add another message. The messages dot append. Now this we will add. Assistant. This message is being told by the assistant. So we have written role assistant and the value of the content is hello, how can I help you? Now our list look like this. See, it is how interesting it is. So this is the first message. This is the second message. And we wanted something like that. The entire context, entire conversation. Can you see what is happening? We are building the conversation ourselves. So the entire conversations we are building in a list. Suppose the user asks, explain Python. Now the next question. We simply add this data. Role is the user, that means user is asking, and what he is asking, explain Python. So that is the value of the content. Now the AI replies. Suppose AI replies. So who is replies? Assistant. And what his reply is? Something like this. Right? So we will add this and this, everything into our list. We will append these information. So the complete conversation now look like this. You see, this is the first message, user said hello. This is the second message, assistant said hello, how can I help you? This is the third message, user said explain Python. And this is the fourth message where assistant says Python is a programming language. Notice, very important, nothing is deleted. The conversation simply keeps on growing. Now imagine the user asks, explain it in simple words. Instead of sending only this, our program, instead of sending only this, earlier we were sending only this. User was sending, explain it in simple words. Now our program sends the entire message list. So the AI now sees the user said hello, the assistant replied, the user asked about Python, the assistant explained Python. Now the user says explain it in simple words. Suddenly the sentence, it makes perfect sense, because now the entire context has been sent to the AI model. The AI exactly knows what it refers to. That means it refers to the Python, because we have sent the entire message list to the AI model, not just one last question. So what we have learned so far? Today you learn that conversation memory is simply a growing list of messages. Every time someone speaks, create a message, add it to the list, never delete previous message, send the complete list to the AI model. So we will send the complete list. That means the entire context right from the first message to the last message. That's all. No complex algorithm. There is nothing machine learning in it. There is no database, just simple a Python list. Interesting? I hope it's clear to you. Thank you.